Everyone, today I'm going to give you on tip notes of the balance of payment, some important terms regarding balance of payment chapter. In balance of payment, the reduction is disequilibrium in BOP, which has been deleted, but I will explain you what is the meaning of actually disequilibrium. Apart from this, other things which I included, I must explain here. Balance of payment. What is balance of payment here? Balance of payment is a systematic record. That means we record all the transactions, economic transactions between our residents of the country and rest of the world in an accounting year. हमारे रेजिडेंट्स का अगर बाहर के साथ कोई भी ट्रांजैक्शन हो रहा है, इकोनॉमिक ट्रांजैक्शन मॉनेटरी टर्म्स में, वो हमारा जब हम उसे डबल एंट्री बुक कीपिंग में करते हैं तो उसे बोलते हैं बैलेंस ऑफ पेमेंट. Now, economic transactions in balance of payment are related to visible items. That means flow of goods, invisible items, flow of services, and third is capital transfers. Capital transfers means here we talk about the capital receipts and capital payments. Apart from these two, visible items and invisible items, there are further unilateral transfers, that means one-sided, and the other is income from investment or compensation of employees. So here in BOP we are having two accounts, capital account and current account and capital account. Current account includes visible items, invisible items, unilateral transfers and income from investment and compensation of employees. Capital account includes capital transfers, that means capital receipts and capital payments. Furthermore, to know about more things in BOP, we must know that autonomous items क्या होते हैं, accommodating items क्या होते हैं. Autonomous items are those international economic transactions which are done for some economic motive. हमारे रेजिडेंट कर रहे हैं, कुछ खरीद रहे हैं, कुछ बेच रहे हैं, जो भी हमारी ट्रांजैक्शंस हो रही हैं रेस्ट ऑफ द वर्ल्ड के साथ प्रॉफिट मोटिव के लिए, इकोनॉमिक मोटिव के लिए, पैसा कमाने के लिए, तो वो सारी ट्रांजैक्शंस टोटल, ये जितना कुछ भी हो रहा है सब टोटल, करंट अकाउंट कैपिटल अकाउंट दोनों का मिला के जितने भी ट्रांजेक्शन है सब ऑटोनॉमस आइटम में आती है. नाउ व्हेन ड्यू टू दीज ऑटोनॉमस आइटम्स सम डिसइक्विलिब्रियम अकर इन BOP, like if there is deficit BOP or if there is surplus BOP. Who will correct this BOP? Who will make the balance of BOP? The government. Then government take the accommodating items. These are those transactions which are undertaken to cover the deficit or surplus in BOP. BOP में कोई deficit या surplus due to autonomous items आया है तो उसे ठीक कौन करेगा? Government by doing transactions in the capital account. तो ये हो जाती है accommodating items. What is balance of trade? It is the difference between the money value of exports and imports of the goods. That means visible item. सिर्फ ये जो visible item है, पहला जो point हमारा है flow of goods, जब visible item के export और import के बीच का हम difference देखते हैं तो that is called the balance of trade. Disequilibrium means when BOP is in the state of either deficit or surplus. So these are the some key topics, key terms which you should know in balance of balance of payment or BOP. On tip notes, go through it. If you face any problem, you can ask me anytime. Thank you. God bless you all.